After announcing the new Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, Samsung is now working on its first foldable laptop. Samsung has been selling the smartphone foldable OLED displays for a few years, and now they are preparing to launch a laptop which uses a similar technology. According to the leak, Samsung Galaxy Book Fold 17 is in the works, which is a foldable laptop. They also released the concept video earlier this year which shows that how its foldable features work. They are also working on tablet hybrids in the future too. Now this one is a 17-inch foldable laptop which basically looks like a large screen tablet, and if you hold it in half it can be used like a laptop. Now obviously this one doesn't have a physical keyboard, but you can use the display for typing. We don't have any info right now about the processor, but it could be a high performance device with a powerful AMD Ryzen or Intel at the lake. Now this foldable laptop can feature Android OS or Chromebook OS. This looks amazing, like look at this dark mode feature, and also it has OLED panel which is great for true to life colors. And in this promo video you can say that you can play the game on one display and control it using the secondary. Also it does have a camera which is under panel camera on the front. Samsung already has under display camera in Z Fold 3, and now they are going to get this feature on laptops too. We also have some live images, and in this one you can see that it runs a game and you can control the game using the secondary display. Now in terms of release date, they are going to launch this new device in Q1 2022. Now in terms of pricing, we can say that it will be in the same range of Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Fold, which was launched at the price of 3,240. So coming from Samsung, it will be around 3,000 to 4,000 price range. But honestly speaking, this one has a really unique concept and can be used for different purposes. So that's the all info we had today for Samsung Galaxy Book Fold 17. What do you guys think about this new folding laptop from Samsung? Comment down below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully we will meet in my next video.